Greetings! It's that time again where I announce this month's exclusive Patreon tutorial. The people have spoken and they wanted something quick and easy because summer is too fucking hot and it is approaching. So, this is what I came up with. They've also wanted a use of bead shapes that haven't been used in a while, so I vouched for storm duos and diamond/gem duos to create this fantastical design. Now, what's cool about this is it's kind of reversible, too, because this also looks very pretty. So this would be good if you have those unfoiled Rivolis or a jet Rivoli, which is what I did with this one, because you flip it around and it looks pretty freaking spiffy on both sides. And this one I used with kite beads, too, so you can kind of change up how it looks. And yes, and here's another one that I've created while making the video tutorial. So that is what we came up with for this month. You can find links to this tutorial down in the description box over on my Patreon page. You can get access to this and every single tutorial I have made on Patreon for $1 a month. Just $1. As well as access to the polls that happen once a month to decide what I come up with. July's poll is coming up sometime, I think it's the 19th, so if you want input as to what I create, be sure you check it out down below. But this one's really, really quick. I think there's like 6 rows total on the bezel. But it's just this really fun sunbursty thing, and it really just kind of alters very quickly depending on what colors of what beads you use. Like I have these contrasting colors, and it's just really fun, and it doesn't take a lot of beads. So, if you're sweating your ass off, but you still want to sparkle, consider this pattern. I hope to see you there. All links down below. Check it out. Okay, bye.